Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Nissan Altima faster. We'll cover practical steps you can take to significantly improve your car's performance. First, consider basic engine tune-ups, like ensuring your spark plugs are in top condition and your air filter is clean. These small changes can yield noticeable improvements in throttle response and overall power, making your daily drive more exciting and efficient. To truly unlock more power, a cold air intake is a great starting point. It allows your engine to breathe better, often adding 5 to 10 horsepower. Next, an ECU tune can recalibrate your engine's computer for optimal fuel delivery and timing, potentially boosting power by 15% or more. Don't forget performance spark plugs. They ensure a stronger, more consistent spark for efficient combustion. An aftermarket exhaust system can reduce back pressure, allowing your engine to expel gases more efficiently, which often translates to a gain of 5 to 8 horsepower and a sportier sound. For better handling, performance tires are crucial. They provide superior grip, especially during spirited driving. Additionally, upgrading your suspension with stiffer springs or coilovers can significantly improve cornering stability and reduce body roll. Regular maintenance is key to sustained performance. Always use high-quality synthetic oil and ensure timely oil changes to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Also, consider reducing unnecessary weight in your vehicle. Every kilogram removed can slightly improve your power-to-weight ratio. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.